Hey everyone. So yesterday, when I got to work, I realized that my everyday carry kit was not with me. I had left it at home. And then I very quickly realized after that all my other kits were at home. So all I was left with was the emergency backup kit that I keep in my wallet. And that got me thinking that I really don't practice enough with that thing if I ever get stuck in a situation where I need to use it on something more difficult than, just a simple lock. So I keep this stuff here in my wallet. It is the Sparrow's Mace Picks and Mace Expansion Kit. They're actually pretty nice. I like these things. But they are a little bit awkward to use, and if you're not used to using them, then they can be kind of difficult. And these down here, this is a tension wrench that I made, top and bottom of the keyway, serrated on both ends. This thing works pretty well. It actually works really well. It grips like crazy. I can insert it in a keyway, and then it actually will pull on the core when I'm trying to pull it out. So it works great. I just took a pair of diagonal cutters and put serrations on that. And then this is just a homemade deep hook out of a feeler gauge. So figure I will go ahead and try to get a couple locks open here with my emergency backup kit. And if anybody else out there feels like it, I'd like to see what you guys carry as an emergency backup in case you leave your stuff somewhere or you're left without something for some reason. Let's see what we can do here. Alright, what's holding me up? I would normally use a much thinner pick for this keyway, but I don't have anything thinner in this kit. Come on. There we go. Alright. Man, that is tough when you're not practicing. Alright. Use my deep hook on this one and that Sparrow's top of the keyway mace wrench. Oh man, there we go. Nice. So yeah, there is my emergency backup kit. These Lotto locks are a lot of fun. They are nice practice locks. They've got a single serrated pin and then 5 spool pins in them. They're actually the best core that Master Lock makes in the worst body that they make. These things are plastic and you can't take them apart or gut them like some of them, unfortunately. But I do actually have some of the cores out of these put into other locks. But anyway, this was about the backup kit, so alright. Have a good day, all.